Yep.
Hey, Daddy.
Yep. What are you on?
I don't know. Are you your house?
You're at my house?
Uh-huh.
What are you on right now?
Airplane.
The airplane?
Uh-huh.
Where are you flying to?
Your house.
My house?
Your...
Whoa!
That's bumpy.
Is it bumpy?
Uh-huh. And then you don't drive. He bumpy.
Yeah. Whose house are you going to next?
Daddy's house.
Daddy's house? And then whose house?
On the day.
Uncle Dave's house?
Uh-huh.
Where's Uncle Dave live?
A beach.
Then after Uncle Dave's house, where are you going?
No.
You don't know?
Up.
Where?
At the bone house.
Uncle Bone's house?
Uh-huh.
Where does Uncle Bone live?
No, at top.
At the Tuck?
At top.
Oh.
At the bone. At top.
Yep, he lives at the Tuck. Who else lives with Uncle Bone at the Tuck?
And Eric.
And who else?
Timmy.
Yeah.
That's a friend.
Is that your friend?
Uh-huh.
Who else lives with Sydney?
No, Timmy.
Kinnick?
That's my friend.
Kinnick's your friend too?
Huh?
All right.
And on the boat, there's Amy and Timmy and Timmy.
Oh my goodness.
Now I'm going to Daddy's house.
Oh,
I'm going to Daddy's house.
you are. How old are you, Will?
2.
2? Show me how old is 2. How many fingers?
2.
Just like that?
Uh-huh.
All right.
They were R.
Oh, it looks like the letter R.
Uh-huh.
What other letters do you know?
Daddy, put a light in your house.
What other letters do you know, Will?
Word A.
A?
The letter A. The letter A.
I don't know. I think it's the letter B.
Letter B.
Yep.
Letter B. Show your letter B, Mommy.
Okay.